Let's see what we can design today in Canva. I know it's been a minute since I've done a tutorial. It's actually been a minute since I've been in Canva because I've been super busy. I've been on a break. So let's see what we can cook up for this tutorial. So I'm starting off with a blank canvas, and the size for this is 1080 by 1350. So let's get to working. I'm not sure what background I want to use. I'm kind of tired of pink, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if we can do something like this. um and you know the drill, shortcut T on the keyboard to start designing just a simple business template. So I'm gonna put here business name here, and I'm gonna change this to Poppins just for now, and just because I adore Poppins, definitely one of my favorite fonts. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to stretch this out just a little bit, and then I'm going to reduce the size and stretch this out some more, and then I'm going to put this in white so it's um a bit more visible. And we could also add a lift to it, or maybe not. Let's leave that alone for now. Then I'm gonna go to Pinterest, and let me see if we can find a background on Pinterest and see if we can get some background. Um, let's see. Do we want to do something Christmassy? Let's do a Christmas background. We could go with a gradient as well for this. Oh, okay. I'm liking this one. Let's see what we can do with this. See if we can adjust color, darken it a little bit. Bring out the black a little bit, contrast just a little bit. Then we're going to add a blur, and then I'm going to feed it into the background just a little bit like this. Let me see if I think there is a noise app in Canva just to add some dimension to the image. Let me see. I don't want a lot. Then the noise strength. Let me duplicate this first because I don't want to mess it up. Oh, I don't have to do that. I can just like add to design. Let me see how it looks. Not really feeling it. Let me search something else and see what we get. Okay, I'm not liking these results. Let me see in photo. Okay, let's work with this one. Then I'm going to go to edit, and I'm gonna go under dual tone, and let me see if I can change the color to mimic the red that we currently have. Just something. Then I'm going to rotate this, and I'm going to adjust it to the size of the canvas. And of course, I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Let's see now what we can do. Probably, as I said, this is something simple. I have been away for so long. I'm surprised I even remember how to log into Canva. I just haven't been feeling really creative. I don't know if it's a burnout, but I haven't been feeling creative. And I'm just going to select this and bold the text. Let's ensure these are in the center. Probably could use a different font, something fun, because it is Christmas after all. Um, but something that still resonates with what we are designing. So let's say Christmas, Christmas beauty special. And let's see. Um, do we want to? Let's see. Okay, let's stretch it out just somewhere. Christmas beauty special. Let's group these for now and center. Let's look for some hairstyles on Pinterest because that's what I do best. Um, okay. Um, let me see what we can do with this image. And don't use the images on Pinterest for your professional photos. That is illegal. You can get sued for using somebody's property. And let me do the vibrance. Quality is okay. Contrast. Okay. Let me see if I can get another one. Then the Christmas boho special. Boho ho ho. Boho. Christmas boho. Um, let's see. Do I have any frames? Oh, let me see. Okay, I have a gold frame. Let me see what can happen here. Okay. I think we probably could put this behind this. Or hold on, okay. So this is gonna be here. Something is gonna, oh, let me do a blend. So search blend under apps, and I'm gonna go to image blend, and I'm gonna apply the linear blend for this one. So I'm just gonna pull this down just a little bit and select okay. So ooh, let me redo that. The strength can be a little bit more. Okay. Select save. Right. Then let's see if we find another boho braids. Oh, so many. Okay, let's bring this one over. Copy the same effect. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the background. Gonna pull this up just a little, and let's blend this. Save. Oh, this chair. Let me see if I can erase this chair. Let's see. Probably erase that piece of her arm. Wait. Okay. Erase. Let's wait and see. Oh no. Reset tool. Let me do magic grab. Okay, so that's glitching, so that's fine for now. Let's just go to edit, apply the same filter, reduce it just a little bit, go to adjust and increase the sharpness, the vibrancy, the black, and stuff like that. All right, let me see. Can I rotate this just a little bit? Okay. Then we're gonna find one to put in the center. Let's see. Who can we use to put in the center of these boho? Um, I guess we could use her. Hold on, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna flip, no, I'm gonna flip her, move the background. I'm gonna put her in the middle instead. This to the front. And her, I'm gonna put her here. I'm gonna put, yeah. Let me do a blend as well for her. Linear blend, just in case. Select save. Then we're gonna go to edit and we're gonna apply the same fresco filter. And we're going to do the same sharpness, vibrancy. And let's see. I think we could put on outline around her. So I'm gonna select shadows, select outline. Let me see if I can get like that red. Reduce the size. No, I'm not feeling it, but that's all right. Um, can you bigger up just a little bit? All right. Then let me go to layers. I think this could be a little bit more in the center. This could be in this. Ooh, not too much. Hold on. A little bit over here, just a little bit more. I think I might have to go in with a gradient. So let me just reduce the transparency of this just a little bit. Rotate this, pull this down to the bottom, like so. And let's look for, so think we can reduce. Hold on, let me see something. I'm gonna remove this. No, let me just add a page and bring it down here for now and increase this just a little bit more. Bring this up. And then let me see if I can search in some Christmas elements on. Let me see how these would look. Let's see. Mm, okay, I think I might use them, but let me just put book here appointment appointment book your appointment now. Going to reduce this. I'm also going to bold it, and I'm gonna pull it down here. Let's just say probably book now, and then you probably could put your website. And I'm gonna do that, stretch that out just a little bit, do it right here in the center. And then I'm gonna get the images that I downloaded just now in Pinterest. I'm gonna remove the background. I'm gonna go to adjust, gonna increase the sharpness, the vibrance, let me see the contrast. Okay, the contrast can work. The white, and I'm just gonna go to edit again and select blur. I think we can blur it some more. And oops, do something here as well. Probably do it bigger here. Then do a smaller one here. Probably, oops. Rotate this one here. Something though. And then probably a, oops. Rotate this. Let me see. Let me do a blur. Oops. Blur. On the graphics. Let's select this one and change it to that bright red. And we're gonna position it behind her head, just so it stands out in a sense. Then we can do the same with her, just so it can kind of stand out. Lift them from the page just a little bit. Let me see. I think we can do one right here. Let me see how that looks. No, that's fine. Let me see how this looks on top of everything. Uh, yeah. And this is the, I think we could put a border at the bottom right here. I don't know why, but I guess we could put a border there. Um, white, something white. Put it behind the, yeah, let me bring this up somewhere. Probably could add a leaf to this and probably could, and then increase the, no, just a little bit more. Hold on. And we should have something like this. And this is basically it. Yes, you can go in and make some more tweaks just to make it unique to you. Of course, this is just a simple tutorial on how to do XYZ. Can go in and tailor it just a little. This isn't meant to be a complex design, just something quick and easy to do. You can even create this as a template and sell, something simple, nothing rocket science level, just something simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And if I'm not back before Christmas, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes.